Maayong adlaw nga higala aniya ko karon sa waterfall.
Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Karon maglaag ta aron makita ang labing nindot nga mangga usay sa Bohol. Hello everyone. Today I'm taking you on an adventurous journey to discover the most beautiful waterfalls in Bohol. We started our trip from Pangnao on our motorbike, ready for a ride of about an hour and 15 minutes. The route took us through Bohol's stunning landscapes with rolling hills and swaying palm trees decorating the horizon. Our first stop was the Inkhump Falls. After meeting a friendly local who volunteered to guide us, we began a 10-minute descent down a steep path.
It looks a little bit like the water in Sikihor at the Kambuka High Falls, no? The water is a bit similar.
Every step made it clearer that this was quite a workout. When we reached the falls, we were greeted by complete serenity. Not a single person was around. The scene was breathtaking. The crystal clear waters invited us to take a swim, and we even climbed up the waterfall itself. It was a moment of pure tranquility, with the sound of rushing water adding to the peaceful atmosphere.
Oh, I can't believe that is all by ourselves.
After enjoying the refreshing swim, it was time for the climb back up.
So now we have to walk back up. It's quite steep.
The steep ascent proved to be a challenge. An intense workout we would definitely feel the next day.
And we are going to the next destination, huh? You okay? Kapoy kayo?
Our guide then led us to the Dam Agan Falls. This leg of the trip began with a ride on the motorbike.
This looks a bit like the waterfall we went to in Province, no? The same way.
Followed by a 20 to 30 minutes hike. Once again we were faced with a steep path downwards, but the scenery made every step worth it. Surrounded by a lush greenery, the sound of birds and the tropical fragrance in the air, the walk itself was an experience.
How beautiful is this, huh? This is an entire water system here. Always those things with waterfalls and stairs, huh?
Upon arrival, we were greeted by smiling locals who were already enjoying the water. We joined in, swimming and relaxing on the bamboo raft. A perfect way to unwind after the hike.
Hiking towards the Twin Falls in the rain. Ooh. Happy? Kapoy kayo?
The final highlight of our day was the visit to the Twin Falls, known locally as Waterfalls. This waterfall was undoubtedly the most stunning of them all. It towered majestically with water crashing down and mist rising into the air. It was one of the most beautiful waterfalls I had ever seen. We swam and reveled in the natural wonder before us, savoring every moment.
See the craziest place ever. Look at this.
But, as with every waterfall, the climb back up awaited us. This time, the steep stairs were particularly exhausting.
Okay, last few steps, lieverd. And then we are up. That was a crazy hike. Okay, yo.
And we knew our sore muscles would remind us this day. With tired but fulfilled spirits, we hopped back on the motorbike and made our way home, carrying with us memories of a day filled with adventure, beauty and the wonders of nature.